Hey everyone, it's Nurse Sarah, and in this video I'm going to do a quick review over Hegar sign. So let's get started. Hegar sign was named after Dr. Ernst Hegar, a German gynecologist, and it occurs between about 6 to 12 weeks of pregnancy. And what it is softening of that lower uterine segment due to increased vascularization. And you want to remember that that lower uterine segment is found between the cervix and the uterine body, and it can be assessed during a bimanual pelvic exam. This sign is considered a probable sign of pregnancy. Its presence suggests that a patient may be pregnant, but it's not definitive, as similar changes can occur in other conditions. Confirmation of the pregnancy requires additional testing, such as a pregnancy test to detect the hormone HCG and ultrasound, which provides positive evidence of pregnancy. Okay, so that wraps up this review. Now, if you would like some more sources to help you prep for your maternity exams, I have this study guide that you can get in digital format at nursesarah.com or a paperback version like this one at amazon.com.